Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Dutch oven lasagna soup. Okay guys, I'm starting on my Dutch oven I have preheating. And I just right off the bat I want to let you don't have to have a Dutch oven to make this, any pot will do. I'm going to start by putting some olive oil in here. Just enough to lightly coat the bottom of the pan. And I have one medium onion I diced up. We're going to get that in there and get that sauteing for just a few minutes. Alright, now that my onion's sauteed for a few minutes, and it doesn't take long in a cast iron pot, I have a pound of ground Italian sausage I'm going to get in here. I get the little paper off the back. And I'm going to brown this for a few minutes. And I'm also going to add in a healthy 2 spoons of chopped garlic. If you use fresh garlic, just go ahead and put 2 cloves in. So I'm going to go ahead and break this up, brown it up, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, now that my sausage is just about browned up, and I didn't have to drain it because there is no grease on it, I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. And guys, it's going to be a really hearty soup for a chilly day. And guys, I think Dexter is down for the count today. He's not making any noise in there. Dexter, you guys say hi? Huh? No, he's just in there watching me, guys. He's probably upset because I'm using chicken stock, but he'll have to deal with it. Now I'm going to add in 2 14.5 ounce cans of petite diced tomatoes, juice and all. I'm going to add in a can of tomato paste, and this here is 6 ounces. This here will help thicken up our soup a little bit. And it will add more tomato flavor. Okay. I'm just going to give that a stir quick to combine everything. And as this cooks, that tomato paste will break down and dissolve into the mix. Okay, now I'm going to add in our seasonings. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt, and the salt is to taste, guys. But we're going to be putting lasagna in this, so that's going to eat up a lot of that salt in there. I'm going to put in about a half teaspoon of pepper. And if you like yours a little on the spicy side, you could add in about a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper or a half a teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. And this is looking good already, guys. Alright, I'm going to take some lasagna. You don't want the oven ready. You want just regular raw lasagna noodles. I'm going to take 8 of them, and I'm going to break them up into bite-sized pieces into the soup. And you want to do it over your pot so you don't decorate your kitchen. Alright, now that I have all my lasagna broke up in here, I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm going to bring it up to a gentle boil. I'm going to boil this for about 8 to 10 minutes so that lasagna is tender. So once this starts boiling, I'll set the timer. Okay guys, this actually went for 12 minutes. Now it's done cooking. I'm going to add in a 1.5 cups of Italian style shredded cheese. You can pick this up just about anywhere. And I'm just eyeballing. It's a 2-cup package. Alright, we're looking good about there. I'm going to stir that in. And guys, the only bad thing about these cast iron pots is the handles get hot too, so you have to be careful of that. You just want to stir it till your cheese is nice and melted. Looks like Dexter woke up for the second round. Dexter, you gonna say hi? Huh? It's like when you take a kid to get their picture taken. They don't want to sit still for the picture. He don't want to talk when I want him to. Yeah, laugh at me, Dexter. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and dish up a bowl and see what we got. Guys, I also added in a spoon of ricotta cheese, and I put a little Italian seasoning on top. Let me get in here and give this a taste. I want to melt my ricotta cheese down in there. And guys, this is going to be just like lasagna in a bowl. Okay, let me get in there and give that a taste. I'll start with the broth. You can see cheese hanging there. It's really good and creamy. Tastes just like lasagna. The lasagna noodles are good. They're a little on the al dente side, but they're cooked through. I'll try some of this sausage. Sausage is really good. Comes with that natural seasoning that they're seasoned with. Guys, that's really good. Okay, there you have it. Dutch oven lasagna soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see you.